He looks a bit too happy. Okay, and you're still going through the mini club, basically the kids club here at Mukarnas. Now, I'll let Dylan show you all of this at some point in time, because it's all kid stuff and he can actually fit in it. Obviously you've got an indoor area around here as well, which seems to be forbidden to take photo and video without permission. Okay, I won't go inside there once again. I'm going to set up here because I know there's something up here, up these steps. Let's find out what it is. Let's see what's up here. It says you need to get everything you want from the pool bar, the DJ cabin. Looks like there's already a basketball inside, so we'll play that for now. And we can always grab a tennis racket and court afterwards. So this is the tennis court, basketball area, all of that lot. Oh, Dad, that was horrible.
It's better than you.
Really?
It's flat.
Feel it?
It's flat.
That's properly flat.
Exactly. Oh, that was horrible. Need some air in it.
Yeah. Ooh. Belly dancing going on.
Now,
Do you think these guys will become professionals afterwards?
well, first question is, do you think the instructor is professional?
I don't know. Maybe.
That's a star from the animation team.
Why don't you let me know in the comments which one's the best rated professional belly dancer?
Is it the instructor?
Are the belly dancers better than the instructor? Let me know in the comments. Here we are, golf club time, crazy golf time. You might remember John Fowler, Brixton 2023, from not that long ago now. And you remember how it was completely waterlogged, none of them basically worked. And yeah, it wasn't very good usage. So let's see what this one's like. First things first, it's not waterlogged, so it's a good start. I can actually play. Let's have a look.
So I know he said that you know, we can actually play, but he didn't say he can actually play.
Yeah, I mean, I said it's possible. See, I'm professional.
A professional. Yeah, a professional. Exactly what I said.
And this side is hooked. Okay, do you want me to record?
So in case you didn't see that, that was nearly a hole in one. Two. But you got to remember, I'm holding the camera in one hand, trying to hit that. Three. At least it went in. Not like somebody.
Yeah, no, because I'm left-handed, you see, so... No,
you hear that?
It's left-handed,
Take the camera.
so it's hooked.
Take it. Take the camera. Take it.
Bam. I was mistaken, there is one of them that is completely broken. You see here, it's just sunk in. So, well, that means you can only play on one half of it. This one over here has had starting position absolutely destroyed. So that's not good because I can't start. And this one is now just got a hole in the ground. So, yeah. Not all completely perfect. Time to play tennis. I'll let you guys get a side view of it, because otherwise it would be a bit boring.
Should I be the umpire? Out. And there we have it. 15 love.
30 love.
15 love.
You're not in the, you have to be in the back part, don't you?
I think so.
Okay, so this is interesting. You have basketball, tennis, and football all in the same court. So I'm not sure how you're supposed to play everything all together. Okay, it looks like they're giving up already. So we'll call it tennis there.
My dad versus my brother. Let's do it. Well, that was actually because I've never played tennis in my life, but these two have, so. Nice start from my dad there. Oh. Whoa! What a hit! My dad's got some skills. Nearly didn't. Oh. I'm not trying to play low ball.
And that's how my professional tennis career came to an end. See you next time I try and fail at another sport. Bye bye.